things. They really make you think, don't they? It's like every peak and valley tells its own story, much like the crypto market. But you know, being out here, it's given me a lot of clarity. Bitcoin, it's not just a currency, it's a philosophy. It's about trust in mathematics over institutions. I remember the early days, mining on a simple setup, believing in something bigger. Altcoins, they're just noise in the grand scheme, distracting from the true essence of crypto. But I've learned you can't dismiss innovation, even if I prefer the original vision. Every evening as the sun sets over the lake, I reflect on the volatility, the highs and lows. Yet here, amidst the serenity, I'm reminded of the underlying stability in the chaos. It's a journey, much like this retreat, and I'm here for it every step of the way. Can you believe it? Just one day here, and I feel a shift inside me. 9 more days in this retreat. I can't even imagine the insights I'll have by the end. It's the solitude, I think. It brings you face to face with your thoughts, undisturbed. And these thoughts, they're not just about crypto, but life itself. How to live, how to invest, how to be. I've been too caught up in market trends, forgetting the world around me. It's time to change that. This retreat, it's my chance to reconnect with the basics, the real fundamentals. I expect to return not just as a changed bull, but as a more grounded person. To think, the answers I've been seeking might just lie in the stillness of nature, not in the chaos of the market. Here's to the next 9 days. May they bring clarity, peace, and a renewed perspective on everything. You know, this retreat would be perfect if only the internet connection was a bit more reliable. I brought this Starlink, hoping to stay a bit connected, but the mist and the trees aren't helping. Still, it forces me to disconnect more than I planned. Maybe it's for the best. Without the constant market updates, I'm starting to appreciate the silence. It's funny. I came here to clear my head, and nature's doing its job by cutting off my distractions. I guess it's a sign. Time to fully embrace this retreat, internet or no internet. Who knows, by the time I get back, maybe I'll have missed a big dip or spike, but that's okay. This is a reminder that life is more than just charts and trades. It's about moments like these. I'll just have to catch up on everything once I'm out of here. For now, it's me and nature. And in the stillness, I find the rhythm of my breath, the very essence of being. Mountains and markets, they rise and fall, but my breath remains constant, a reminder of what truly matters. In the chaos of the world, find the quiet within. A line of poetry that's never felt more relevant. As I let the words flow, the tension of the trading floor seems miles away, insignificant under the vast sky. It's time to say goodbye, I guess. Not just to this mountain, but to the person I was before. Who knows when I'll check in again? But that's the beauty of it, embracing the unknown. May the lessons of the peaks and valleys guide me, both in the market and on the trails ahead. Farewell for now, to the silence that speaks louder than any trade could. I'm grateful for the peace it's brought me. Back to civilization, armed with a new perspective, ready to navigate the waves of crypto with a calmer heart. I hope.